harder than you did last year. Whatever you thought you did, it wasn't enough. And enjoy it even more.
Yo, what is up, guys? 6-star riding here. So check it out. I got just the camera rolling. I'm on a little 85 two-stroke. Alright, so this is what I bought. I bought it off my friend. It's a 2021 YZ85. This thing's fun. Yo, check it. I just got on it and I straight started ripping it. Oh, it does leak fuel because of the fuel lines. Oh, that car's sick. Impala. Alright guys, so we're gonna be ripping a YZ85. I'm gonna try to make it tune. Hey, what's up?
How do you stay like that, bro?
Huh?
How do you stay 12 o'clock?
And just back brake right here.
All brake?
Yeah, all brake.
All brake?
That's what keeps me from falling back.
Alright.
Once you know it, you don't get scared.
Yeah, bro, that's it. Cause I don't really ride dirt bikes. I ride quads.
Yeah, I ride quads too. That's what I started off on.
Yeah.
What do you have?
I have a 450, a YZ.
Oh yeah, that's what I have, a 2014.
Really? I have
Yeah.
a 09, bro. They're nice. Huh?
Yeah, they're good. You haven't had no issues with it?
Actually, yeah, I just did. My chain snapped and it cracked the case.
Oh yeah, I was about to say, on mine's, I have a Gland Innovations case saver.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's like, it covers the whole thing.
Oh, sure.
So whenever that chain snaps, it just slides out instead of hitting the block.
It's like a plastic, right?
Cause that happened to me, but I broke the transmission.
On the, so like it oh damn. So like it kind of blew it?
Yeah, cause the chain got stuck in there, all nasty, and I was trying to take off and then it broke. Just, I was with speed and then boom.
Dude, that
Yeah,
sucks.
they're good besides that.
Yeah,
And then they also make one for the back. It's like a metal one,
okay.
so it keeps,
Yeah,
that's
I bought two new ones, which is, it's one like a square and then the chain passes through. I think that's the one you were talking about.
oh, it goes down here like the
Yeah.
dirt bikes, no?
Yeah,
You seen
almost
how the
like
dirt bikes have it?
Yeah. So that's the reason I got it. My cousin's like, you know, look at mine, and then he started explaining it. I'm like, yeah, I kind of need that. So
Yeah.
I bought the front part that goes on the sprocket.
Yeah.
Curved part.
You sick, bro?
All right. Well, I'll leave you alone, bro.
Hey, you be
Ride
safe.
bro. Yeah.
Yeah, God bless you, man.
God bless, bro. I know that one.
Igual. Yo, that thing's sick! What is it?
KX125.
Oh my god, 125?
Yeah.
Those are fun.
I just gotta adjust the carburetor.
Yeah, that's the only thing. They're so fun, but just to adjust is kind of hard if you don't know.
Yeah.
Cause I have a 150 and this carburetor, and it bogs. It goes burn,
Yeah, that's what mine says.
and I'm just trying to adjust it.
It sucks because you think you got it and it goes.
Yeah, that's the worst. And then like this one, I bought it off my friend, and he just tuned it. He has it tuned perfect, and it's so responsive.
What is it? 80 or 65?
85. Yeah, I just bought it. This is like my first time riding it.
See you, man.
Yes, sir. Take care. Be safe out here. Damn. It's so bad. Yo, for learning no-handers on a two-stroke way. We're gonna get these down, boys. That never put me on a two-stroke, man.